first let me take a test to see. And also one test from the other side, keep your face to the other side. Show your emotion. Sometimes you can close your eyes, you can dance, go crazy. Yeah. First be yourself and don't look at me. Try to make more curve your body. Try to open your leg more. I know it's impossible. So when you open from down, you can close from top, knee, or even you can close your knees, but leg. Try to make an S with your body. Z, S, something like this, yeah. And go to yourself. Look sides, not to the camera. Yeah. Exactly. Face up to the top. Yeah. Great. Continue. Change it. Good. Perfect. The other side. Change it. Yeah. Good. Leg. Good. Even sometimes you can turn your back and show some part of your back. Yeah. Good. Yeah, great. Show me your face sometimes. Good. Great. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. And can sometimes feel the body involved with yourself. Yeah. Great. Face right. Exactly. In some pose you can lift up your skirt to make your leg more free for pose. Yeah. Good. Good. Sometimes you can be down there. You can see your leg. Hand through it. Exactly. The other hand can go up and touch and make yourself what? Good. Perfect. Exactly. Face to your right more. Great. Perfect. Finish. It was like warming up.